What is printer? A printer is an external hardware output device that takes the electronic data stored on a computer or other device and generates a hard copy. Types of printer. There are two types of printer: impact printer, non-impact printer. Dot matrix printer. A dot matrix printer is a printer that uses hammer and a ribbon to form images and text from dots. This printer typically uses a printhead that moves back and forth for in and up and down motion on the page and print by impact, striking an ink-soaked cloth ribbon against the paper. Advantages of dot matrix printer. The dot matrix printer are cheap and easily available in the market. They can make carbon copies of the printout unlike non-impact printers. The printing costs are the lowest as compared to other printers. Disadvantages of dot matrix printer. The output created by dot matrix printer is not of high quality. The printer can get noisy at times when the pins will hit the ribbon onto the paper. The density of barcodes is low and may fail to match users' standard. Daisy wheel printer. The daisy wheel printer consists of a disc made of plastic or metal on which characters stand out along the outer edge. The printer rotates the disc to print a character until the desired letter is facing the paper, after which a hammer called solenoid strikes, forcing the character to hit an ink ribbon, making a mark of the character on the paper. Advantages of daisy wheel printer. The advantages of daisy wheel printer are following. These printers are cheaper than the other printers like inkjet printer or laser printer. These types of printer are also famous for printing the carbon copies. There are no such maintenance cost of this printer as it only needs to change its ink when its ribbon becomes dry and no ink is available in it. Disadvantages of daisy wheel printer. Daisy wheel printer is slow in speed. This printer cannot print any sort of graphics. They only print black and white or any color text on paper. This type of printer produces very noise while printing. Inkjet printer. An inkjet printer is a computer peripheral that produces hard copy by spraying ink onto paper. A typical inkjet printer can produce copy with the resolution of at least 300 dots per inch. Advantages of inkjet printer. The initial cost of an inkjet printer is really cheap. An inkjet printer does not need wake-up time. They do not require heating the printer before start printing. All the inkjet printer are light-weighted and plug-and-play kind of device. This makes them extremely portable for home and office work environment. Disadvantages of inkjet printer. Inkjet printer are designed for low volume printing. They suffer from slow speed. These printers are less durable due to overworkload. Ink cartridges get to damage. The initial investment of inkjet printer is cheaper, but after passing some time, its expense can be increased. Laser printer. A laser printer is a printer that uses a focused beam or light to transfer text and images onto paper. It does not actually burn the images onto paper. Advantages of laser printer. Laser printer are designed for printing large volumes. They are able to print multiple pages without experiencing jams and other problems. The printing process of these printers is more faster. These printers are able to print around 20 sheets per minute. They are more reliable and durable. Disadvantages of laser printer. Laser printer involve high implementation costs. These printers are much heavier and bulkier compared to an inkjet printer. They contain imaging drum and other delicate components that make them larger. These printers produce simple color prints, therefore they cannot handle high quality graphics images.